Jumping made something shake. I need to work on cutting out filler words like and sayonara, like and Y'all are not welcome in my verb vocabulary. My vocab. That's a new word I just made up that doesn't make any sense. So when you're done working out and you get home and you're like, I'm so hungry, I'm so thirsty. This is what you want to make. It makes life so easy. I haven't jumped around that much in a while. You know when you arms. Stay still. I have the answer for you, girl. Me and my pointer finger. We've got the answer for you. These Wyman's frozen fruit smoothie bags are my lifesaver. They have all of the greatest things in there and a vegetable. Smoothie for your post. Runaway berries. Ooh, that's good.